Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today on my channel, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create a very good quality, design for your print on demand website, maybe Amazon Merch, Redbubble, and others. You can actually create a very good quality design for all these ones with this app that actually going to be showing you in this video. So this app is actually very good. Is another app I've not actually showed anyone on the video. So I'm actually going to be sharing this with you soon right now. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button down below. I click on the notification bell. It's actually very free, and click on the notification bell. Comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this app. If you really like it, you can actually go to Play Store to go and download it. I'm not sure if it's available on iOS, but it's actually available on Play Store, and I'm actually going to be showing you how you can design with this. Transparency is actually very free also in this aspect. So you watch this to the end, and please subscribe. I want to reach 1K subscribers before the end of the year. So let's get into it. So the name of the app is actually Pixel Lab. So Pixel Lab is the name of the app. I'm very sorry about the sound on the ground. So the name of the app is Pixel Lab. So you click on Pixel Lab right there. You see it right there. So an autosave of the last session. So I'm actually going to cancel this. So this app is actually going to be looking on Android. So you can actually decide to do it like this, and I think it is very good like this also. So you can choose any platform you want. If you want to do it in a portrait way or in a landscape way, so I think it's okay in the portrait way. So if you want to design on this kind of background, you can actually choose any background you want. If you want 3D, you want memes, you want all this kind of template, you want 3D right here. So this 3D is actually a very sweet aspect also. So you can choose anyone you want right there. You have this reflect text right there. So they're actually showing you the ones you actually choose from, right? You understand? So let's choose this 3D. So after choosing the 3D, sorry about that. So we're actually going to be moving this downward side. So we're actually going to be clicking on this bar. You see that? So we're actually going to turn it to transparent. So transparent is actually very free. So I can actually okay, let me turn this text into okay, maybe you want to talk about the cat's niche. Okay, let's say let me just type love for now, because we're actually going to be typing I love cats, and this website is actually going to be giving you the very good size. Is actually going to be showing you it's going to be giving you a very good size for your stuff. So you don't need to worry about all these ones. So if you want to change the color, you can actually change it by going to the sorry about that also, by going to the letter right here, A. So you are going to check where the color is. You understand? You see the color, you click on it. So you're actually going to change, maybe yeah, that one is actually very nice. So I can decide to increase the size like this by dragging the angles. You understand? So now I want to create another one. So you tap on the blank place. So you click on add text. You see the text showing right here, but it's on white. So we click on the new text. I want to put I love cat. I'm very sorry about that. So I want to put I love cats. My phone is actually doing somehow, so I'm very sorry about that. So I'm going to change the color as I told you the other time. So you can change the size right here and like increase the size like this. You understand? So when I increase the size, you don't want to like make it much bigger. I'm actually going to be moving it to this part. So I'm going to click on it. I don't know why it's actually like being very stubborn. But if you want to position it, you actually position it through this part also. So I can actually like choose the ones I want. So I can actually move it like this instead of like trying to like move it, you understand? So I want this eye to be very, very thick and authentic. So I would rather choose to like change the font, you understand? So let's check where you actually change font. You see the font changing right here. So you click on a bold text. So I'm thinking of a very bold and thick text. So let me choose this one right here. Let's see how it's actually. So it's actually like that. So I want to like change the style. Let's see. I click on bold. It's not actually clicking. It depends on the font you use. So that's the style. If you want to like make a curve, then you click on this one. You like shift it to the ones you want. So normal, the curve is not actually going to work on this one, you understand? So you don't need to like do it. It's actually going to work on maybe this love. So let me show you how it works. So you see actually it bends a lot. So I'm actually going to cancel that. So this one at the background, you can actually play with a lot of things right here. You see, it's actually going to be enabling it. So it's because it's in 3D. If it's actually this one, so if I click on it, it's actually going to be like then showing the background. It's actually going to be placing something at the background like a black color, you understand? So you can change the color. So I'm actually going to be showing you that one in the cat aspect. So right now we actually we want to change the color. So let us like go to the color instead of like moving around. So you have a lot of things to like change if you want to design. This thing is a lot. It's very, very good. You should check it. So you can actually click on the plus to get the ones you want. So I'm actually looking at it. It's actually turns backs. So you see, I love cards. So I'm going to be shifting this up. So I want to create a new text. You understand? Then I click on this. I change it to cards. You understand? So cards, cards. So I put a car right there. So you see, it's okay. So it's still there. I'm going to be changing the position and the size soon. So the size, I'm going to be increasing it to this level. I put it right here. I click on it. I change the color maybe to black also. That's it. So I don't really like the font. The font is actually somehow to me. So I'm going to be taking a very nice font for that. So let's check this. This is not that really sweet, but we can actually like find another way to like do it. So let's check this. This also is somehow, but I think we want a thick one also, right? In this one. So yeah, this one is sweet, you understand? So we want a thick one, that's why. And this one is actually thick, so I can actually add the background, you see. So that's what I'm saying. So if you click on that, you see that is actually black on the background. So at the background like this, you can actually like click on this and change it to white background, you understand? But it is better you change the color of the text to white and the background to black. But I'm not actually going to enable that, so I'm actually going to be canceling. And we're actually going to be canceling that. So if you want to bend it, you understand, you can bend it anyhow you want. You understand, you can bend it like this. It's not that bad if you bend that like that. or you bend it like this. You understand? So it depends on your way of doing things. So you can choose the spacing you want, like put in between them. So I can actually reduce it right like this, or actually increase it, you understand, depending on you also. So there are a lot of things you can actually enable the shadow and like choose the text you want to like put there. So I want to like the color you want to like put there. So maybe let's choose the red aspect, but we don't want to like choose the very red aspect. So that's it. So you see it's actually like very nice at this part. So it's very nice like this, you understand? It's not that we really like, we're actually doing this for the sake of the video. So it's nice at that aspect. So you actually can, there are a lot of things you can choose. You can actually choose the inner shadow in case you are using a lot different fonts. There are a lot of fonts, they have a lot of font there. So you can change it to 3D rotate when you want to, like, okay, you understand. So that's it. Maybe you want to like make it, you understand, that's it. So it is dark dark the summer. So it's actually nice, it's actually nice. So if you want to like create a different aspect, you understand, of the stuff, I can actually like make it like that. I can make it like this. If you want to like create a unique aspect, then they need to like read it to the back, then you can actually do it like this. So I'm actually gonna leave it like that somehow. Very sorry. So the shadow right there, you can enable it, and it's actually gonna be showing a lot of like a sign at the underneath. So that's it. So you can cancel it if you want. So I don't want the shadow aspect. So if you want the reflection aspect, it's actually going to be reflecting at the down part also. So I don't want that also. That's it about that. So you have a lot of things you can actually do. You can import images, you can draw on them, you can import shapes. If you want a shape, you can actually import that. So if I want to like put this in a, I can actually like click the transparent aspect. So it's actually going to be, I want to choose the transparent aspect. Let's see. Let's see how we're actually going to be doing this. I want a very transparent stuff, but I don't know why it's actually like showing this aspect. So okay, I want the square one, you understand? So you actually like put shapes on it, you understand? But I think if you want like put all this kind of stuff, because there should be there should be something transparent right here, but we're actually going to be using, you can play with it, understand? And I'm going to get to you in the comment section if you want to like do that kind of stuff, because I'm actually going to be checking it out, you understand? So this the drawing aspect, this the arrow, maybe you want to like put an arrow, you understand? So that's it also. So you have a lot of things you can actually do. You can turn it transparent at this aspect, you can turn the color, you can increase the image size, you can camera, you understand? Then camera, you understand? You have a lot of things you can actually do with this app, and this app is actually very sweet. So you check on the effect. The effect is actually there. So if you want to rotate, you can actually rotate it if you want. So I don't know why it's actually not functioning. So this one, if you want to like turn into this kind of stuff, you understand? So the noise, I don't know about that. Okay, you want to like reduce, you understand? Okay, so that one is also sweet. So you can change the effect right here. You can change it, you understand? It's actually a very good app to use. So if you are still on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It means a lot to the channel actually, It's actually going to be encouraging us because it shows that the channel is growing and channels has a lot to do. You understand? For this, you actually need to like put in at the save aspect. So save as image. You understand? You can save it as project. So if you go out like this, you minimize and you cancel the project, it's actually going to be saving and you're actually going to recover this. So it's actually a very very good app at that aspect also. So you can save it like this. You understand? And you have a lot of like you can choose the PNG, you understand, and the stuff is there, the size you want. If you want ultra, so the ultra is a very very big dimension, and that's the best you should choose for your wearable, your print on demand website or page or shop. That's what you want to like choose, and your PNG should be there. You shouldn't choose like JPG because it's actually there's no transparency at that spot. So you want the PNG and you save it to your gallery, and that's all. It's actually rendering the image and actually going to be saving to your gallery straight up. So that's how you do it, and it's actually very very good. And okay, let's say Canva, because in the aspect of the size, because Canva is actually not going to give you a lot of sizes like this. You understand? And Spark Post also, you need to like get to their website and create on their website before you get this kind of sizes. So you should like try to use this because this is actually amazing. It gives you the ultra size, which is actually going to be helping you. The size is actually very bigger than Spark Post sizes and Canvas free sizes. Because if you're actually going for the premium, that's when you actually get the transparency and the very big size. So Canva is actually not going to be giving you this kind of transparency if you are using the free plan. But on Spark Post, you're actually going to be getting this kind of transparency, but not this kind of size. So you should like I recommend this app for you guys to actually use it. It's very very sweet, and I'm going to be showing you the ones you can actually use on laptop. Maybe in my next video, in my next one, it's actually like upcoming videos. You understand? So that So that's it. If you are new to my YouTube channel and you are watching to this kind of moments and you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Right, please, we want to like reach 1K subscribers before the end of the year, and I know it's actually very very possible with you guys. We're actually trying a lot of possible best to create a very good content for you guys I'm trying a lot of I am personally trying a lot of content, thinking about a lot of content to give you guys. So you guys to actually please subscribe, click on the subscribe button, and don't go without subscribing, and click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos. Because I'm actually gonna be dropping new videos on other apps that actually work on iOS, because this is actually not going to be working on iOS. I'm not sure, but I kind of have this 60% assurance that this is not actually on iOS, because I've actually searched it on time, maybe that time on App Store, and it's not. But presently, I'm not sure if there is, but before it wasn't. So I'm actually going to be showing you in maybe my upcoming videos which app you can actually download for all this kind of that has all this kind of free plan for your poor design on your phone. Not everybody wants to like go to their laptop and do design, you understand? So this is actually very sweet that you can actually create within 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 minutes, you understand, depending on design you want to like make. So thank you very much for watching the channel. Goodbye.